Hi, in this video I'm going to showcase new information that we've added to the audio describe component output. Mostly information about the debug ports. Once a dev session is started, and also information about the port names and exposures as defined in the dev file. So let's see that in action. But before starting, I wanted to make a quick demo of the motivation behind this issue. So here I'm using an IDE, and I will use the OpenShift Toolkit IDE plugin. So it's using a previous version of audio. And let's say that in this project, I want to start a dev session. So I'm starting my dev session. So my application is running in the cluster, and now I want to debug this application. So I will start a debugger. So here, because the ID plugin does not have information about which port is the debug port, it prompts the user to select the right port to use. So 3000 is the application port, and 5858 is the debugger port. So the user needs to select the right one. So what we have added in audio is returning this information right away if available. So yeah, we return a field that tells if this port is a debug port or not. So let's see that using the current version of audio now. Okay, so using the current version of audio with the new changes, I will start my dev session here. So my application should be running very soon. Okay, so you can see that the application is running, and yeah, I have my two ports being forwarded. And now if I run audio describe component, you can see that we now have much more information being returned. Here we have the port name and a field that tells if this is a debug port or not. And we also have the exposure as defined in the dev file. So we can check that we have the same information in the JSON output, which can be used by the ID plugin. Sorry. So we have this is debug field, true here and false here, and information about the exposure and the port name here as well. So we can tell if a port is a debug one or not based on a simple naming convention. So if the port is named debug, as here, or if it's prefixed by debug dash, then it's also assumed that it's a debug endpoint. So that's it for this demo. Thank you.